Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new card to Apple Pay. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have trouble getting their new card added to Apple Pay. But no worries, because the video is going to be short and sweet and simple. There's not a lot of steps. So first step is going to be open the wallet app and then tap the plus sign in the upper right hand corner. And then you're going to tap debit or credit card and then continue. Use your card to scan in the numbers, or you can tap enter card details manually. However you enter your card details, you'll follow the prompts to verify that you have entered the correct call. Once the verification is complete, you'll see the card in the wallet and it's ready to use. If the card fails to upload, you get an error, double check your bank supports the Apple Pay and that your phone is updated. And that right there is the best and easiest way I know. If you guys have a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to know. Thanks so much for watching and see you all in the next video.